Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a shared to-do list in Microsoft To Do. This is perfect when you're working on a project with teammates, planning an event with friends, or coordinating household tasks with family members. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to tar-do.office.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your lists and ensure your tasks sync across all your devices. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all your existing lists displayed on the left side of the screen. Now, look for the option that says New List and click on it. This will allow you to create a fresh list specifically for the tasks you want to share with others, keeping it separate from your personal to-do items. A text field will appear where you can name your new list. Type in a descriptive name that clearly identifies what this list is for, like team project tasks or weekly grocery shopping. Once you've entered the name, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard to create the list. Your new list will now appear in the left sidebar, ready for you to start adding tasks. Now it's time to populate your list with tasks. Click on Add a Task at the top of the list. A text field will appear where you can type in your first task, like finish presentation slides or buy milk and eggs. After entering the task, press Enter to add it to your list. This creates a clear action item that you and your collaborators can track and complete. You can continue adding as many tasks as you need by repeating this process. Simply click Add a Task again, type in the next item, and press Enter. Build out your complete list of everything that needs to be accomplished. This ensures all team members can see exactly what needs to be done and nothing gets overlooked. Once you've added all your tasks, it's time to share the list with others. Look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This opens up the sharing options that allow you to collaborate with others on this specific list. In the sharing menu that appears, click on Create Invitation Link. Microsoft To Do will generate a unique link that gives access to this particular list. This link is what you'll distribute to anyone you want to collaborate with, allowing them to view, add, and complete tasks alongside you. After the link is created, you'll see it displayed on your screen along with two options for sharing it. You can either click Invite via email to send the link directly through your email client, or click Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. Once you have the link copied, you can paste it into any messaging app, email, or collaboration tool to share it with your team members or collaborators. And that's it. You've successfully created a shared to-do list in Microsoft To Do that multiple people can access and update together. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.